The upcoming OnePlus 13 has generated considerable buzz in the tech world, with several key leaks surfacing about its features. According to Digital Chat Station, a well-known leaker on Weibo, the device will be equipped with a battery of approximately 5,840 mAh. For marketing purposes, this capacity might be rounded to 6,000 mAh, making it larger than what we've seen in previous models. This leak also points to fast charging capabilities, supporting up to 100-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. This is an important upgrade for users who prioritize battery life and quick charging. Additionally, there are rumors of an alternative model, possibly under the Ace 5 series, that could come with an even larger battery and similar SuperVOOC fast charging technology. These improvements in battery life and charging speeds will likely play a crucial role in attracting users looking for efficiency and reliability. Leaked by Digital Chat Station, it will feature an 8 TLTPO BOEX2 display panel, offering a 2K resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The display is rumored to have slightly curved edges on all sides, adding a sleek, modern look to the device. One intriguing feature of the display is its soft-edge 4-level depth and super eye protection, which could potentially reduce eye strain during extended usage. Another innovation comes from the custom redesign of the display's circuitry and optical cavity structure, improving the overall brightness compared to previous models. The pulse width modulation, dimming technology, also part of the display package, ensures smooth brightness adjustments and a more comfortable viewing experience. The tipster also adds that the upcoming device will also feature an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Perhaps one of the most exciting leaks revolves around the introduction of magnetic charging. This has been largely absent in Android devices, with most major brands like Samsung and Google choosing to skip the feature. However, according to a screenshot shared by OnePlus president and COO Kinder Liu on Weibo, the device will feature a magnetic suction function. While it's unclear whether this feature will follow the Qi 2 wireless charging standard, it's certainly possible given that Oppo, a sister company of OnePlus, has already showcased magnetic charging on its Find X8 series. If this magnetic system turns out to be Qi 2 based, it could signify a major shift in the Android charging ecosystem, potentially influencing other Android brands to adopt similar technology soon. Performance-wise, the OnePlus flagship is set to feature the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, according to Lijai Luis, president of OnePlus China. This was confirmed via his Weibo post, where he also highlighted the significant performance boost that users can expect. A leaked Geek bench score from September suggests that the device's performance could rival Apple's A18 chip, putting it in direct competition with the latest iPhone models. In addition to the Snapdragon chipset, the phone will also run ColorOS 15 in China, a move that follows the brand's strategy of using ColorOS in China while offering OxygenOS based on ColorOS for the global market. The Tidal engine is designed to optimize performance, while the Aurora engine is expected to deliver smoother animations, enhancing the overall user experience. It's widely expected that the device will make its debut shortly after the Qualcomm Snapdragon Summit, which will take place from October 21st to 23rd. This aligns with OnePlus's history of releasing their flagship devices soon after major Snapdragon announcements. It's likely to be positioned as a premium device. Industry analysts estimate that the base model could start at around $900 to $1,000. What are your thoughts on the rumored price? Drop your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates as we get closer to the official launch.